Hello, my name is Monish. I am a Tekla Structures developer, trainer, and consultant. In this video, I'm going to showcase a new tool that I developed to automatically number welds in perfect sequence, quickly, accurately, and without any errors. Let's begin with an example. I'll open the first floor view and select welds only. Once the welds are selected, I'll click the Select Welds button in the tool. This imports the selected welds into the tool. Next, I'll enter the first weld number here, and then click Assign Weld Number. Now you can see the weld numbers assigned inside the tool. Once I click Update Weld Number, the weld numbers are updated directly in the model. If you want to locate a specific weld, just double-click on it, and it will be highlighted in the model. If you wish to remove a weld, click the Remove button. Or, if you want to clear all weld numbers, simply click Clear Welds. As you can see, this tool assigns weld numbers very quickly, covering all welds in the model within seconds. Doing the same task manually would easily take an hour or more, and there's always a chance that some welds might be missed. Once again, my name is Monish. I have over 5 years of experience working with Tekla Structures and as a steel detailer. If you need a custom-developed tool on top of Tekla Structures, feel free to reach out to us at Vigash. I'd be happy to explore what solutions we can provide.